has a fluffy friend, fluffy friend, fluffy friend. Mia has a fluffy friend, a little sheep so sweet. And everywhere that she would walk, she would walk, she would walk. Everywhere that she would walk, he followed at her feet. He followed her to class one day, class one day, class one day. He followed her to class one day, behind the schoolhouse door. It made the children skip and play, skip and play, skip and play. It made the children skip and play and dance upon the floor. The teacher said he had to go, had to go, had to go. The teacher said he had to go, but still he stayed close by. He waited by the wooden gate, wooden gate, wooden gate. He waited by the wooden gate under the sunny sky. Why does the sheep love Mia so, Mia so, Mia so? Why does the sheep love Mia so? The kids all want to know. Oh, Mia loves her fluffy friend, fluffy